Here's how to convert video to audio. So if you have some video files, I use this app called ConvertSave. I actually created it. You can check it out in the description or the top comment down below. So all you have to do is click and drag. So it's a click and drag or drag and drop file converter. And then once you drag in your video files, you can select your output. So there's lots of different audio formats. MP3, WAV, that's waveform audio, FLAC, M4A, AAC, all these different audio formats. MP3 might be the one you're looking for, or WAV. So we can click on MP3, hit convert, and it converts and saves right next to wherever the video files came from. I created this app with my brother because one day I said, hey, I'm really sick of uploading my files to random sketchy websites that I have to only convert a couple at a time and then download, and I have no idea what servers those files are going to. And is there any way we can do like a video, audio, image converter that works on desktop, on Mac and Windows? And he was like, yeah, what about this? And after a weekend, he had made something, and now we have ConvertSave after working on it a little bit more, and it works for hundreds of conversions, including video to audio. And so, if you want to check it out, there's convertsave.com, or there's a link down below in the description. And like I said, it works on your desktop. So it converts your files offline. It does not upload your files anywhere. This is truly a software that works just directly on your computer. And you can batch convert as many files as you want. I've tested over 1,000 at once. Still works. So pretty much is up to your computer how many files you can convert at once. That's how you can convert video to audio here with ConvertSave. Appreciate your support, you guys. Hopefully it helps you. You can check it out below, convertsave.com. ConvertSave. That's exactly what it does. I'll see you in the next one.